Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can instantly enhance the quality of your photo just like this. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to enhance the quality of your photo, it's actually pretty easy. So let's say that this is the photo that you want to enhance. For example, as you can see, the photo is a bit blurry, so we will gonna enhance the photo to make it more high quality. So to do that, you will need to download a certain app first. So the app that you will need to download is called Remini. It is an app used to enhance the quality of photos and improve their quality to a high extent instantly. And to download it, you will need to go to your Google Play Store if you are in Android, and App Store if you are using an iPhone. And once you're on Play Store or App Store, you can now search for Remini. And after searching, you can now go and download the app. After downloading the app, just go and open it. So now we are on the app, guys. So to enhance the quality of your photo using this app, it's simple. So if you will take a look, you will be able to see the enhance option, and just below the enhance option you will be able to see your photos. But if you can't see the photo that you want to enhance right here, just tap this, then you will be able to see all of your photos. And once you're here, just select the photo that you want to enhance. And after selecting, tap enhance. And after that, the app will now start enhancing your photo. Just wait for it to finish. And once the photo was enhanced, the app will then show you the before and after of your photo. As you can see right here, the difference of the before and after of the photo is really big in terms of quality. The before of the photo is kinda blurry, but the after is so clear and high quality. And so after the enhancing was completed, you can now save the photo by tapping this. And before you can save the photo, you will need to watch an ad first. Don't worry, the ad won't take long, but if you don't like watching ads, you can just upgrade to premium account, but you will need to pay for it. And after that, your photo will now be saved in your gallery. Congratulations, you have now enhanced your photo to a high quality. And so that's just how you enhance your photo's quality, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.